Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Oppo K15 Pro and OnePlus 15T. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. OnePlus 15T comes with 6.32 inches AMOLED display, and the Oppo K15 Pro comes with 6.59 inches AMOLED display. Hardware features. Oppo K15 Pro is powered by the MediaTek chipset, and the OnePlus 15T comes with the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity through speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.